गुड मॉर्निंग मार्वेलस महिलाज। आप सबका हमारी टीम मान महिला की तरफ से बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली जो महिला है उनका नाम श्वेता है। वो हमारे साथ पुणे से हैं। तो आज चलो उनसे सुनते हैं उनके बारे में। हाँ जी मैम, कुछ बताएं अपने बारे
Hi, myself Shweta Dange. I am the CEO and founder of Travel Vista. I've been successfully serving in travel business for more than a decade.
में।
Started my business at the age of 20.
वाओ।
I am also a tourism board certified travel specialist for countries like Thailand, Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, South Africa, Australia. The list goes on.
ओके।
Talking about Travel Vista, my business, which I started long back, like almost 12 years back, is
ओके।
specialized in customized tours and few concept tours like women special, mom and me vacations. Considering अभी का जो सिनेरियो है कि फादर्स आर रियली बिजी, सो
ओके।
वो सोच के हमने मॉम एंड मी वेकेशंस प्लान किया था.
ओके।
We also design luxury holidays for celebrities and niche clientele.
वेरी नाइस।
Traveling, I love traveling basically,
ओके।
and that's the reason I really believe in selling beautiful experiences to my clients as well, so that they create their own beautiful stories with us.
वेरी गुड, वेरी करेक्ट।
And yeah, and business will grow only if you're innovative. So
आई टोटली एग्री।
we, being in a travel industry, I have been like into this innovative concept recently. We have come up with this touchless currency exchange platform, which has got a new change in the forex retail. We have introduced a new mobile app named Currency Exchange under government recognized technology Startup India. So in this app, yeah, in this app, basically you can buy and sell currency through app and get doorstep delivery all over India.
Oh, great. Coming to
And
your,
yeah,
sorry to cut you again. Coming to your challenges part, ma'am, you told so beautifully about your company and the travel, the fascination you have for travel, and the way you are passionate about it. Just try to tell in a very brief that if it is any type of challenge you have faced during your like business.
see, in business we keep facing challenges, but I'm quite like we are now quite used to it. But
Okay.
the major challenge which I face being in a service industry is maintaining balance between family life and professional life,
That I can.
especially that mompreneur guilt of not spending enough time with my daughter. That
That's
always keep troubling me. Yeah.
And so I will head toward the third question. Would you like to mention some of your like support chain here, some of the women who have supported you throughout your life, like by now or in your venture?
Yeah, like if I talk about my support chain, basically it's the woman who gave me birth, my mother, who inspired me and trusted me to start my own business at a very
Young age.
small age of 20 years. Yeah. So because of her, I was able to start the business with confidence. And now, if I talk about my support chain, it's my
Mm-hmm.
mother-in-law
Okay,
who,
she's also
who has supported me so well. Yeah. So she has supported me so well. She has been a backbone for me after my marriage in my business. Because of her, because she's taking care of everything, I am able to run my business and I'm a successful entrepreneur as of now.
Wow, very inspiring and very great words. And coming to the fourth question, ma'am, we are talking and this we are creating this platform. We really want to know what type of social change are you expecting in the environment or the world around? Just let us know.
Uh, Social change which means which I feel that I
Mhm.
should be seeing in future is basically gender equality.
Very right.
Gender equality, yeah, and equal work opportunities at
For the world.
equal work opportunities. Yeah, and one more thing I would like to highlight, that is the safety of women, that should be
Mhm.
very well designed, so that no woman have to sacrifice their life because of whatever happens every now and then.
Very correct. So heading to the almost last question, ma'am, it was throughout inspiring to hear you. Coming to the last question, just try to tell us or give any type of message do you feel like to give to your future clientele or anything around. Just let us know more about your venture.
Today I would like to give a message to all the beautiful ladies out there. Every woman should support and empower each other, because individually we are just a drop. Together we are an ocean.
Wow.
So exchange ideas, support each other.
That's so
And
awesome.
one more message on behalf of my country. I would like to tell everyone, keep exploring India and let's make Dekho Apna Desh campaign a grand success.
Outstanding, outstanding, ma'am. It was so great to hear you. Obviously, the platform here is a little brief, so we have to wind up now, but it was thoroughly inspiring, and I must congratulate you to have that much of courage to come forward and join us. Once again, thank you so very much, ma'am. It was nice and lovely hearing you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.